Yo, it's day 2 of getting the airbag jump running. Let's go. Rotten. Look at that, bro. This guy is gonna go in there, but let's first get the sheet of ply off. Oh no, there's still 2 screws. Oh my gosh. We cut the plank perfectly. Look how good it fits in here. Nice and sturdy. Now we gotta put a new sheet of ply on here. Unfortunately, time flew by today, so come back tomorrow and we'll finish the jump, varnish it, as well as varnish the Roland, and if we're lucky, even get the Roland up on the tower.